Well, just getting a load of update videos done today. Just make use of a day whilst it's not raining and whilst time allows. So, excuse this really strange shape, but that's the ocker. I did say a while back I'd do a video when it was doing something. Kept meaning to, but quite frankly, it's not the most inspiring plant. So just giving it a good soaking. The reason for the strange shape is actually it just lives there. It doesn't need much sunlight, so it just sits underneath the bush, but you can see it's put on loads of top growth, which is all we want it to do at the moment. And like I've said previously, it won't be till we get to the November, December that it actually starts doing anything underground. So for the time being, that's as good as it gets. That's an update for you.